Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are safe and sound. And whenever you go out, please wear a mask and gloves. Stay happy, stay protected. Let's. So I bought the whole of this week, and rather than wasting more time of yours, let's go to deal one by one. So first deal is on L'Oreal Cosmetics. So these mascaras were two for $15, and when you buy two, you will get back $6 extra bucks, and with a limit of three. So I purchased four of them. That brings my total to $30. Then I used two coupons of $2.50. They were expiring on Saturday, but the CVS they allowed me to use it, and they scanned and it worked. So I used two of them. I used $2 coupons from L'Oreal from coupons.com as well. They were also expiring, but I used two of them and that also worked. Then I had a $10 off 30 L'Oreal Cosmetics CRT. All those four coupons and CRT, that reduces my total to $11. So I rolled off $11 in extra bucks. I got back $12 in extra bucks, and these counts toward beauty. That will make it $3 for the beauty. So this deal is $4 moneymaker. I will suggest you to do this deal if you have those coupons. I think they work for next 3 days at CVS. So try considering that. Okay. Next is on CoverGirl. CoverGirl this week is spend 15, get $5 extra bucks. I purchased these three twin brow pencils. They were $5.99 at my store. So total was $17.97. Then I used three coupons of $3 from last week insert, and then I used $4 of $15 CoverGirl CRT. That reduces my total to $4.97. I rolled off $4.97. I got back $5 extra bucks, and this counts toward beauty as well. That will make it $1.8 for beauty. So that counts toward it, making it $1.8 moneymaker. Let's go to next deal. So next is Elme. So Elme this week is spend 10, get $4 extra bucks with a limit of 6. So I purchased this blush $11.99, this mascara for $9.49, and this lipstick for $8.59. That brought my total to $30. Then I used $3 eye coupon, $3 face coupon, and $3 lips coupon from this week insert. I had $3 of 2 app only CVS CRT. I had $5 from last week's CRT. I had $5 of $25 Elme CRT, making it $9 in the end. So I rolled off $9 extra bucks and got back $12 plus discounts toward beauty, that is $3. So making it, and when you spend 30, you will get beauty bag for free. So I got this beauty bag because they were out of Glow Better. They did not receive it. So they adjusted with this bag and it worked fine. So this deal is $6 moneymaker plus a free beauty bag. Next is Paparazzi nail polish. Paparazzi nail polish is same, that you will buy two for $5 and you will get back $4 extra bucks. So I purchased these two and I got back $4 extra bucks. I used $1 of Paparazzi nail polish CRT, making it free of the cost plus 50-cent moneymaker of the beauties. So next deal is on Nivea. Nivea this week is buy two get $5 extra bucks. I purchased these 4.8 ounce. They were marked as 5.29 and making my total to $10.58. I used $3 off 2 Nivea lotion CRT coupon that came in this week insert, and then I used $3 off $10 lotion CRT. That reduces my total to $4.58. I rolled off $4.58, got back $5, making it 42-cent moneymaker, plus $1 for beauty, because lotions and facial cares, they count toward beauty as well. So this will be $1.42 moneymaker. Next deal is on Schick. So Schick Skintimate is $5.99 this week, and the other Schick is $8.99, the Hydro 5. So, and the deal is spend 15, get $5 extra bucks with the limit of 1. I purchased two Skintimates and one Schick Hydro 5, making the total, making them $5.99 plus $5.99 plus $8.99. Then I used three coupons of $3. I printed them from coupons.com, but they are available in this week insert as well. I had a $3 off Schick CRT. I have $5 off 20 any shave CRT, and I have 50 cent on my app only Skintimate. So I used all 3 coupons and 3 CRTs with the app only CRT. That reduces my total to $3.47, and I got back $5 extra bucks, making it $1.50 moneymaker. I know that few people are getting 4 of 2 Skintimate coupon. That will be a better deal. And if you have limited coupons like 2 coupons or 1 coupon, then you can go ahead and send to cart on your CVS app or website. That can also come off and reduce your price. Let's go to next deal. Next deal is on Pantene. So these 3 are 3 for $15. I purchased this because the deal is spend 15 on Pantene and get back $5 extra bucks. So I purchased these 3 for $15. I rolled off 4 of 14 CRT. I rolled Pantene CRT $2 off, and I had a $3 off, $5 off 3 on my CVS app that I sent to cart, and reduces my total to $4. Got back $5 extra bucks, making it $1 moneymaker, plus discount toward beauty, making it $1.50 towards beauty as well. So that will be $2.50 moneymaker for Pantene. So next deal is on oral care. So oral care this week is Colgate toothpaste. This teeth whitening is $3.49, and when you buy 2, you will get back $4.50 with a limit of 2. So and Colgate mouthwash is $3.99, and when you buy when you buy 1, you will get back $2.50. So I purchased 4 of the toothpaste, and I purchased 2 of the Animal Colgate mouthwash, bringing my total to $21.94. Then I used 2 CRTs of $3 of 10. I had a $5 of 3 sent to card coupon. I used 2 coupons from This Week Insert for mouthwash and 50 cent coupon for the toothpaste. That reduces my total to $9.44. I got back $9 and for toothpaste and $5 for mouthwash, making it $4.50. If you don't have those CRTs, if you have other CRTs, you can tell me in the comment. I can definitely try to help you in making the deal. If you are using other CRTs, that will be better. Like I had other CRT as well, $4 of 16 Colgate toothpaste, but I used those 2 because my total was only $21, and that was reducing more money and making it more money maker. Okay. And the next part of the oral care deal is the Crust and Scope. So Crust toothpaste is $2.99, and when you buy 2, you will get back $3 extra bucks with a limit of 2. And this another one, the Scope mouthwash, was unadvertised deal. So they were, when you will buy 1, you will get back $3 extra bucks with a limit of 2. So I purchased 2 mouthwash and 2 toothpaste, bringing I had a $3 off 2 sent to card coupon for oral care. I had a $2 off Crust toothpaste coupon as well. I had $1 for Crust mouthwash, that was also working on Scope. I had $1 app only. I had $1.50 app only. I had $4 of 14 any toothpaste CRT that came off this week. I had $3 of teeth whitening CRT as well. So that reduces my total to $1.86. I rolled off $1.86. I got back $3 for Crust toothpaste and $6 for mouthwash, making it $6+ moneymaker, $7 moneymaker. And I would suggest to do this deal must if you have the CRTs and the coupon on the send to card. But we also got the coupons, I think $2 this week and $1 last week for Crust toothpaste. If you have those coupons, you can combine them. That can also be helpful, but I don't remember the proper amount. But I think that came off this week as well. So next deal is on random picks. I bought these 2 the Canada Dry and 7-Up. So they are $2 for $3 at my store. I hope this is for everyone, but I'm not sure it is regional deal or it's because in the ad I was not able to see it. So it was tagged there, so I purchased them. But a few weeks earlier I did this deal, so that was not mix and match. But this week it was for me, so it worked finally. But yeah, so next part is the Vizine Eye Care. That was $5.49 at my store. and I had a $3 coupon sent to cart at my the CVS app, and I got $1.50 CRT as well. That making it $1 out of pocket for Visign. And Roto, we already have better deals at Walgreens 2 weeks ago, I think. So that was better deal actually. But this week also, we had $8.79 Roto at my store, and when you buy one, you'll get back $3 extra bucks. So I purchased it, and I used $5 off coupon that printed for me from coupons.com that was expiring for me on Sunday. Yeah, on Sunday it was expiring. I rolled off $3.79. I got back $3 extra bucks, making it 79 cent out of pocket. I think these are decent price. When we make so much money makers on other deals, we can utilize them to buy some stuff to reduce our grocery bills, and utilize them on eye cares. Usually they are very expensive, and when we're getting 79 cent only, I think we should do this deal. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate your time. I hope you guys will save some money, and maybe it will help you in groceries or other stuff. I have certain apps that are linked below in the description that can help you in saving more as well. If you haven't joined them, you can use a link below that, and there might be some referrals or something that can help you as well. If you need any other coupons or any other CRTs you want to discuss, you can mention in the comment. I am always available for you guys. Thank you.